Hey guys, Dan Nicole Matthew is here, and welcome to the Zippo. Right now they're off their red flag, and this is gonna be cool, really cool. Can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna stop using my deep voice. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Woo. Right here we got Trevor Bain and Ty Dillon. Pink carton, come on, let's go. Let's go. Don't even pay attention to your diecast, Danica, anymore. The pace card's in. Brad Keselowski, right? Joey Logano. Come on, let's go. 3-5. Oh! They went 3 wide. Ha, Brian. See, that's what you get, Brian, for trying to make it 3 wide, you freaking fool. You knew that wasn't gonna work. You freaking knew that wasn't gonna. Oh my God, they're making contact. Bumping and banging. That sounds like something me and my girlfriend would do. Just kidding. I don't have a girlfriend. Lonely. I'm just alone. Sorry. I had to sing that. Come on, Brad. Come on, Joe. Oh, Trevor Bain. I met Chase Elliott. Almost hit that wall. He almost hit that wall. They don't start wrecking until the freaking after this turn. They don't start wrecking until the straightaway after this. That's when the big wrecks happen. That's when they're not gonna start doing the big wrecks, because big wrecks are fun. Oh my God. Here comes Boris said. Help with what? Are you freaking serious? Frick you. What? No! You don't
have to do this, okay? You always have to help me with this. Let me help you then.
Okay, I'm back. I gotta cross my legs like a freaking girl. I'm not wearing any socks. I don't know why. Usually I always wear. Oh, what the frick? That's besides the point. Two laps to go. Why are they focusing on Boris said? They act like Boris said is the freaking leader. What the heck? They acting like Boris said is the actual leader. Stop focusing on Boris said. Nobody freaking gives a care. Alright? He's a freaking underfunded guy that does not barely races anymore until like this race and like other races. Where he takes the 54. Such a Talladega and stuff. That's when he takes the 54. Come on, caution needs to come out. If a caution doesn't come out, that's just crap. Hey, look, the 2 and the 3. Where's the 33 of Austin Dillon? He's not in this race. Of course, but you know. Okay, if this race ends boring, we're just gonna have to see what the Cup Series brings us. We'd rather just say that the race is over now. The race is over. Got it. Of course the Xfinity Series doesn't bring you crap. One more time around again, Joey Logano will freaking win it. Don't make any mistakes. Joey Logano, make a mistake. Make a mistake, God. Please make Joey Logano make a mistake. Got that? He's never won at Bowling Glen. Never mind, God. Do not make him make mistakes. He's never won. Just let him win this one time. Let Joey Logano win this one time. I don't give a freaking care anymore. Half a second? That's like 30. So freaking. They got plenty of fuel. Joey Logano win it. The Zippo 200. And a big crash happened in the background. Come on, how about that? A big crown. Joey Logano, your winner. How about you let someone wreck at the start finish? How about that? No, this has been like the most boring race except for Kenny Habul wrecking. This has been the most boring race ever since Kenny. The only thing that was exciting and that was big was Kenny Habul wrecking. Like, how can you not catch up to Joey Logano? Brad, you should have freaking wrecked him. You should have wrecked his freaking ass, man. I'm freaking pissed as hell. You should have wrecked him. Teammates dominating once again. I'm about to drop the javelin. I'm holding it. I'm holding it with my hand at the bottom of the thing. Okay, so just because like the race is over, does that mean that freaking needs to cut the bus stop or? I hate this. I hate this race. That nose though. Just kidding. But that nose though. Look at that nose. Them eyes. The mouth. That car. Regan Smith is gonna be mad at somebody. Regan Smith, you better create a fight. Somebody needs to create a fight. Man, I don't even need to see this burnout anymore. Regan Smith chatting with. I knew Regan Smith was mad at somebody. I knew he was gonna get mad at somebody. Of course, I said Regan Smith get mad at somebody, just call a freaking fight. And then guess what he does? He freaking does it. What the heck is this? You just don't go. You don't go off into this area and freaking does burnout. Look, this is drifting. This is drifting. You can't. Donuts.